Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the Immersion blender versus food processor. Please watch until the end to find out which one we favor. So the main difference between the Immersion blender and food processor is the size. An Immersion blender is designed for smaller spaces, since it's compact and works for small quantities. On the other hand, food processors are bulky with a large capacity for processing food. The Immersion blender is therefore compact and portable, making it easy to use. Functionality. Having a food processor in your kitchen is like having a cooking assistant. It performs numerous functions like mincing, kneading, dicing, grinding, slicing, chopping, making puree, pulverizing, grating, and so much more. They can also handle tough foods like nuts and seeds. An Immersion blender is known to dice, whisk, emulsify, and puree. On this feature, food processors are superior as they perform more kitchen tasks when compared to Immersion blenders. Disc systems and blade. An Immersion blender features a single blade, or a whisk, that rotates to slice up food. A food processor has various blades that help to achieve its functions. It ensures precision and quick processing of foods into specific shapes. Food processors are more versatile as they can do a lot because of their blade attachments. Convenience. A food processor is bulky and quite complicated to clean. You'll need to dismantle its many parts and carefully handle them. On the other hand, an Immersion blender is easy to handle, clean, and save space. Its parts are detachable, making them simpler to clean. So in this case, Immersion blenders are more convenient because you can easily handle and clean them. Comparison table. From the table, we can see that the Immersion blenders are more convenient because of their design, and they're more affordable. On the other hand, food processors are more versatile, and they're known for their numerous functionality, and having many blade attachments to make them work easier. Similarities. Both of the kitchen appliances are motorized and use blades to break down ingredients into smaller sizes, or mix them. Verdict. So which is better? The Immersion blender is more compact and convenient for mixing and dicing food. It's also a good option for people on a budget. However, the food processor comes with numerous blades that help in the performance of its various functions in the kitchen. For this reason, it's more versatile and, therefore, the better option of the two. If you like this video, consider giving it a like and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more content. Do you agree with our option? Let us know in the comments section below.